having any platform without you don't need to install any Zoom application or Google Meet or anything, and you can simply use training programs. And these are all you can simply people can simply learn from sitting at home, and also they can teach from sitting at home. One of my junior who is trying to create a course. Actually, as she is very good in craft, she is creating course related to craft. Even she is not a trainer, she is not a teacher, but as she is having a skill or she is having a knowledge in that particular field, she started doing, because the task abbreviation itself, Tamila Academy for Skills and Knowledge. So whatever the skill or knowledge you have, you can record that and you can upload that in our LMS and you can start earning out of it. After 4 slides, we'll be going for a virtual game. Next, after 4 concept, we'll go for another virtual games. That is the today agenda, I can say. And we are the Indian largest growing learning platform, as we are focusing on all the regional language. It is not restricted to English or Hindi. Any language, any regional language, you can plan and you can start teaching. It is not about to particular having any concept. It can have any skill. Already in our website we have spoken English, spoken in Hindi, website development, social media marketing, and much more. And it is like it will help you to get a dream job. Let me skip this particular slide, as all of you are trainers and teachers. I want to tell you who can become a digital guru. The first person, teacher, who are teaching in the institute or in the campus or in school, college, anywhere. They can simply, they have lot of knowledge, I can say. So that knowledge should be converted digitally, and we can start earning passively. Once, at least only one time, you should invest your time for recording the course. After that, you can simply start uh, earning. And trainers, as we are a trainers, professional trainers, we always uh, try something new, and always we will be adapting ourselves to the uh, technology, so that we can improve ourselves. And who are having any special skill or knowledge, whoever have interest, they can take place. And regarding prerequisites, you don't need to worry anything. So in prerequisite, we can simply thinking that we may have some lot of skill. We may have lot of skill to become a digital guru. Simply, what we need to do, we should have a basic computer knowledge. With the help of basic computer knowledge, whoever can record their course and they can upload that in another platform and they can start earning. And the second thing is, we need to know how to record the course. That we'll be seeing in this particular course. Today itself, I'll be training you how to record your training course online. Once you have done the recorded, you can simply start doing. And you should be make sure that your content is unique. If you have any content, you can able to sell it very easily. Whatever the content, it can be uploaded, but if it is unique, it can be scalable very easily. And you should have a passion towards training or teaching or to make others to learn. This is the simple prerequisite what you need to become a digital guru. So once you have prepared your course, we'll be giving you guidelines how to upload the course in our platform. And to upload the course in our LMS, I don't want to make you very technical stuff in this first day session itself. Once your course is ready, you just register in our website tasklms.in. If you want to become a facilitator, you just contact us in the chat box or in the mail. We'll be reaching you. Yes, Vinay sir is asking how to put background picture behind during webinar. I'll tell you, sir. Are you specifically asking on Zoom or any other platform? You can even post in the chat box itself, or you can unmute yourself and ask. Sakti, you can unmute. Vinay sir. Valli Rekha is asking for Google Meet. For Google Meet, I have given 2 days before on training. I'll send you the link of that particular detailed thing, because in this short time it will not be easy to explain in Google Meet, because in simple words, we want to say in Google Chrome you'll be having a virtual background for Google Meet. That is the plugin. You can just download the plugin and install in your browser, where you can easily keep background. But I suggest for Google Meet, you will not be having a wonderful black background without having a green mat like this. Without, if you don't have any green mat like this, it will be tough to have virtual background in Google Meet, because it will be having some disturbance. And in Zoom application, if you want to have this kind of background, and here if I am raising my hand, there is no disturbance in the image. If I disable my uh, green screen and if I raise my hand, you can see the disturbance. This is the difference between having green mat and not having green mat. And I'll tell you how to keep this particular background, as people were asking. As I am having this session directly, let me take a screenshot above of Zoom and I'll show you how to do. Yeah. Yes. In the Zoom application, at the right top, you'll be having an option called settings. Just click on the setting, and at the beginning you'll be having the option called background and filter. If it is a advanced version of Zoom, it will be asking for background and filter. If it is a previous version, it will be asking for visual background. Just go there and you can select any visual background over there, and at the end you will be having a checkbox that I have a green screen. If you enable this, you should have a green screen, and that screen color can be taken from here. If you don't have the screen, just uncheck and also try to upload the virtual background using this plus option. By using this plus option, you can simply upload the image, but some of the laptop is not allowing to have virtual background without having green screen. Hope you understood. Yes. So this is how we can keep background. I am taking another screenshot to give you a information on a shortcut to reach this particular virtual background place. Yes. Let me share my screen again. So here you can see in your Zoom application, near to stop video. Near to stop video, you will be having an arrow mark. Hope you can see. Just click on that arrow mark and go for choose virtual background. Once you press that particular back option, that the previous screen which I have shown you will be displayed, and you can start uploading your virtual background. This is how you can simply upload your virtual background. Please repeat it same for mobile also. Vinay sir is asking, sir, as of my knowledge, from mobile it is not possible in Android, but it will be possible with iOS application. If you are having Apple, it will be very much possible. The same option. Go to settings. In settings, you'll be having virtual background. That's all. But in Android mobile, as of now, they don't have the feature. Last month we met Veluchami sir, who is the current president of Zoom application, who is from our district, Virudhunagar. We met him online, and we had some we had some expectation. We informed him. He told that within 1 or 2 months that option will come in like mobile also. And also last month when we had a discussion in Zoom, if you want to purchase for paid version, it has only USD, like dollars. But this month, if you go for Zoom, you can even pay with your Indian rupees card also. So that is a small update. Virtual background is not possible in mobile. Yes, Lalit. It is possible in Apple mobile. Fine. Let us continue. So at this moment, I want to thank you, Vinay. Thank you so much. Happy with your response. So at this moment, I would like to inform you about our training program, which we are going to conduct on 24th and 25th, which is about social media marketing. In this 4 hours and 14 hours support, we will be giving you a live explanation about how to promote your program online, how to promote your business online with the investment of 1499. But for the participants who are attending today, I would like to give an offer of 500 rupees. You can pay just 999 for this program and you can enroll yourself. If you are interested, you can contact Sakti in the personal chat box. You can give your number to her. We'll be reaching you in short to inform you about the course. If you are interested in this course, you can say yes. Others, you can be idle, not a problem. This is just an information or announcement about our upcoming course. Let us have a first virtual game today. Are you all ready? Deepik Patel, I'm not. Is this a yes for game or for the social media marketing course? Ram Kumar and Hari Krishnan, same questions. Are you all ready for the first virtual game? Okay, for marketing, Deepika. Okay, fine. Thank you, Deepika. Thank you, Hari Krishnan, for social media marketing course. And this offer, 500 rupees, we are giving for this participant. Sakti, you can note down their number, name. We will talk them later. And we'll start the game. Hope everyone are, we have this much of participants. In my current screen, I can see 25 people. For both Ramkumar sir, what a smart person. Yeah. So now, kindly rename to yourself Task LMS. What like social media marketing right now? You have typed something, and I want to know your name. Just post your name so that we can rename yourself. So okay, first game. Actually, whenever we are conducting virtual games, we Soumya. Okay, Soumya, I'll rename yourself. So whenever we are conducting some online programs, what is the problem is we may not know whether the participant are sitting live next to you or not, because they may switch off the video like all you people and they may be doing some other task, right? I can say in this 25 strength for this today program, except me, all the camera are switched off. And now just now Lalit have switched on, Deepika has switched on. Thank you for your wonderful response. Hi. Okay, before I started the virtual game, 4 people have the response. So the game is, if I say switch on the video, you should switch off the video. If I say switch off the video, you should switch on the video. That's all. That is the first game. Right? I'll start. Yeah, thank you, Nisha Sharma, for the response. Right. So let us start. Who is very active? Switch on the video. Valli Lega, you should do vice versa, opposite. Thank you. All of you. If I say all of you, everyone have to do. If I pinpoint someone name, means that person have to do alone. Switch off the video. All of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Others are eating, are doing exercise, yoga, or are you not attending the session? Okay, Amit Krishna, thank you. I want to see all your face. That is the first reason I'm having this game at first. Okay. Soumya, thank you. Mohammed, thank you. Nirupuma, thank you. Neeraj, thank you. Others, okay, fine. Now let us go for the next question. I type my name in passport. Okay, no problem. Soumya, I have renamed yourself. Okay, we'll go for the next game. Hope everyone are having the reaction in your mobile or in the laptop. Can everyone go for thumbs up? Not in the hand, in the reaction. In the reaction button. Yes, I got from Sang. Sorry, I'm not good at pronouncing the name. Nitish, Lalit, Deepika, Raja, Hari Krishna, Valli, you should follow my instruction. The reaction, what I am saying. Yes. Hope everyone are doing. Super. I can see many reactions. Fine. So now the game is, I will be measuring who is doing at the first by following my instruction. right? By following my instruction, I can say either thumbs up or clap. By following my instruction, I'll be measuring who is doing first, right? Go for thumbs up. Nishad got confused by clapping. I said thumbs up. So see, in always in experiential learning, people may have some domination. Some people may have domination in the visual. Some people may have domination in the auditory. That is the major thing we need to focus on, which people may say in NLP, VAK, VAK, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. So these three, by using these three, we need to engage the participant, because during the start of the session, all your videos were switched off. Now by having some two activities, all of you are started engaging and you are started responding, right? So let us go for the next game. Thank you, Selvam sir. Let us go for the next game. Now I'll tell you a color, right? I'll tell you color. You need to show me that color. If I say red, you need to show any object which is in the red color in the camera. I'll be monitoring who are showing at first. By seeing this, Vinay sir have switched on. Thank you, sir. Welcome. So I'll be saying you color. You need to search anywhere. If you can't bring that object in front of the camera, bring the camera in front of that object. Okay, are you ready for the color? Thank you, Ramkumar sir. No, red is the example. I'm not giving any color. Okay, the color is white. The first I got is from Raja. He showed the window, and it is paper, Lalit paper, Ramkumar paper, Padmanabhan paper, Vinjay, and it is again paper, Super, Mohamita paper, Deepika paper, Soumya paper, Hari Krishnan is showing the wall. Wow, super. That creativity. How maybe there are a lot of object which is in white, but by saying at that particular time, suddenly Rajas have shifted into wall. That shows his creativity. Wonderful. White. Super. Right. Now let us go for the next color. Be ready. Now I am going with red. Shank showed his chat. Padmanabhan chat. Hari Krishnan chat. Deepika mobile. Nitish, I can't say what is that. Yeah, again the note. Raja book. So it shows how many of your students taking notes. By this you can understand how many of their students are taking notes. If I say white, thank you Ramkumar sir. If I say white, if they don't have to search anywhere, if they have the hand notes, they can simply show the hand notes. But if they're not showing, you can damn sure that they are not taking notes. So this is how you can manage and judge your students how they are doing. And I'll tell you another object. If not color, I may say the object name also. You need to show me that, right? Pen, pencil, or refill tip. Anyway, okay. One, Deepika is showing Lalit, Nitish, Vinay, Ramkumar, Momita, Soumya. Actually, once I said that, Nitish was searching for the pencil or pen because he's not having any hand notes. Like this, we can understand how many of the students are very keen to have a pen and paper to take notes. Don't mind, Nitish. Fine. So, like this is how you can use the people visually, feeling like physically, right? So like this, you can go for any object. Or sometimes if they are at home, I may go for show your mom, like that. You don't need to show it now. This is the example. I'll be telling them show your mom. They'll be searching everywhere at the home where she is available. Like that, the parent also will be comfortable that they are knowing something good. So this is how you can do it. And we'll go for the next task. During any session or during any activity, just ask them to involve in the chat box also. That shows the involvement, how many people are responding. And during all the things, at any time, inform your participant. At any time, you may go for some reactions. If I even show like this, you need to show thumbs up. Not in the hand, in the reaction. So I got it first from Padmanabhan. Super. Reaction. Thumbs up reaction. Yes. So I'll be measuring who is doing first. They may be technically strong. I don't worry about that. But still, to engage them. And you can also do this vice versa. If I say thumbs up, you need to go for clap. If I say clap, you need to go for thumbs up. Got it? Shall we try? Who let us know who is doing at the first. Clap. I got from Raja and Nitish at the same time, after Lalit, after Padmanabhan. Super. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Very great. Great, great. So let us go on to the next game. The first virtual game. In the first itself, I have given you 4 models. This is a one model. So like using likes and cap, or you can use colors, like or the object, or we have tried with this kind of concepts. So like notes, pen, these kind of object also you can show them. So this is a one main game which I wanted to tell you today. How is your experience about this first part of the game? You can post in the chat box your experience. It is not the feedback, it is the experience. Thank you, Deepika. It is amazing. Your experience. If you had this experience already, that also you can share. Wonderful. Existing experience. Very good. Interesting. Fantastic. Satyam, select everyone and post. Excellent. Thank you, Raja sir. Thank you, Padmanabhan sir. Creative. Thank you, Hari Krishnan sir. Very nice. Nirupama ma'am. I think Nirupama have not participated well, but still responding. I am expecting your participation more than the response. Feel engaged. Thank you, Ramkumar sir. Shall we? Are you all ready for the next game? Ready. Let me take that as a yes. Deepika, Ramkumar. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let us go. Padmanabhan. Because the reason for waiting for this race is congratulations on your engagement, Ramkumar. Okay, I think Hari Krishnan and Ramkumar are friends. Fine. Okay. So the reason I'm asking these kind of questions in the chat after each part, like if you are training a model and once a particular session is end, engage the participant using this kind of manner so that you can know whether they are sitting in front of the camera or they are sleeping somewhere else, right? So let us go to the next game. This game name called as Picart. Picart. So I'll tell you the instruction about the game. Very simple. I'll be dividing a picture into 4 parts. I'll be dividing a picture into 4 parts. In that 4 part, what I'll be doing is I'll be simply drawing the first part alone. By observing the first part itself, if you can guess the name of the object, what I am going to draw, you can post in the chat box. If you find out in the first part, you will get 75 mark. If you find out before I draw, you will get 100 mark. If you find out after the second part, you will get 50 marks. If you find out after the third part, you will get 25 marks. If you find out after 4th part, you will get 0 marks. That is the mark strategy. You can fix whatever the mark you want to give in your audience. So let me open my white backboard. Hope everyone knows where the blackboard is there. It is, hope you can see my screen. Everyone. What a thinking, Deepika. She is giving an example because by seeing an answer of she is saying elephant, by saying that she is having a confident, okay, at least any answer will say whether we don't have any negative mark and all. Okay, so hope you can see my screen. Kindly, I'm expecting one response. Yeah, super. Either you can use this kind of whiteboard if you are comfortable in the mouse, or you can go for MS Paint, or you can go for just a paper and pen, drawing at your in your paper and show the camera towards the paper. Like that, you can use any material or any things you want. I'll tell you how to use this whiteboard also in Zoom application. In the setting option, go to zoom.us website. In the setting option, you have whiteboard option. You should enable that so that it will be displaying in the sharing option. However, you are sharing your PowerPoint presentation in the same manner, click on share, and there you can click on whiteboard. You can get a whiteboard like this. Yeah, whiteboard with cursor. Thank you. 100 marks. Okay, so let me draw something. Can you repeat again? Ramkumar, I'm saying that I'll be drawing a picture. That picture will be divided into 4 parts. If you find out the picture before I draw, you will get 100 marks. If you find out after the first part is done, you'll get 75 marks. After second part, you will get 50 marks. After third part, you'll be getting 25 marks. After fourth part, everyone will get 0 marks. Oh, you are asking for why, about how to do it. Yes, he's asking for whiteboard. Let me repeat it again. Go to zoom.us application, zoom.us website, www.zoom.us website. There you just log in with your Zoom account. In the settings, you will be having option called white background. Enable this white background, where it will be, after that it will be applying in your share option. By simply click on the share option, you can see the whiteboard option and you can simply start sharing that. Okay. We can't we can't see full text. What about others? Can you see my screen and the text which I have typed? Zoom.yes, settings, whiteboard. Yes, everyone can see. Padmanabhan, kindly zoom your screen or come back, log in it again. Thank you. So let me start drawing my first image. Hope everyone are eagerly waiting. My first part is over. Any guess? Corona. What answer? Elephant, thread, pen. Any other? Rope with a loop. You should guess the total image. Now you should not tell about what is this particular image. You should guess about the total image. Kite, river. Wow, what this is called unique thinking, creativity, where each human being is having the creativity. Spoon. Okay, I got lot of answers. Thank you. Yes, I'll go to the excuse me. Yes, I'll go to the second part. Second part is done. Okay, I got lot of answer. Turtle, tortoise, tent, toy, CA, dolphin, cap, mushroom, cap, igloo. Ayo, I don't know what is that igloo. Dolphin, cap, cap. Super. I'm not saying what is correct answer now itself. Let us all wait till 4 part comes. Okay. Igloo. Funny kitty. Cap. Hope everyone answer for the second round. My team Sakti is not allowed to answer. You should type who are giving the answers. Let me go for the third model. Third model is over. Still we have 2 options, I know. Till this third option, we have 2 options. I'm getting lot of tortoise and bun. Valilega is so hungry, I guess. Pizza. Okay, super. I'm getting 3-4 options. I'll go for the next final model, fourth model, potato. Hari Krishnan, burger. Okay, many people are not having breakfast, I guess. That's all. 4 parties over. Please apologize me for my small drawing. I'm not good at drawing. Anyway, I tried my myself best. The final part answer is yes. It is. It is. Wow, super. Very good, Hari Krishnan. Turtle. Fine. Let me see who got the answer in the second model. I think it is. The winner of this event is Nitish Sharma Crisscross. Let me unmute herself and I'll be asking her her experience out of this game. You can talk, Nitish.
This goes button. It's amazing, sir.
How you guessed?
By that semicircle when you draw.
Okay, super, super. Fine. So well done. Let us all congratulate her by clapping in the reaction. In the reaction.
Thank you. I don't think that.
Thank you all. She is playing along with her son, I guess. Super. Are you all ready for the next drawing or we'll go for the next game? What's the answer? Answer is turtle. Okay. I want to give this opportunity to any of the current participant. Whoever having the laptop or mobile who can draw it right away. Can you play this game? Can you guess any drawing and can you play? Can anyone try? Do you want to use this opportunity? Drawing. Anyone want to use this opportunity? You can unmute or you can post in the chat box who is having the laptop or who is having the paper pen. Okay, Hari Krishnan, no problem. Take care. Okay, let us go for the next. Okay, next drawing. That's all. First part is over. Cat. Face. Ramkumar. Batmanaban. Deepika is saying I. Let's see. But Ramkumar, Batmanaban. I'm expecting other answers. Eyebrow. Oh. Okay. Then eyes. Eyebrow. Fine. Okay. Let me go for the second part. You don't need to guess only the first part and second part. You should tell the outline, output of the total drawing. The third part which I want to draw is, let me go with this. And fourth part I can even complete. It is just a face. Consider this is a face. Thank you, Hari Krishna. It can be alien also. Thank you. It is a wonderful engagement. Fine. So let us go for the next game. Like this is how we can engage the virtual audience by doing this kind of virtual games. I'm expecting your feedbacks, input about this particular second game. It's okay, Nisha, no problem. We know that you are engaging with your kids. Your feedbacks and your learning outcome, or how you felt about Tricky. Is it so? Thank you. Amazing. Let it enjoying, interesting, and make the participant active. True, Rajesh sir. Improvise our drawing skill. Hari Krishnan is saying about me, I need to improve my drawing skill. Okay. No, just for fun. Fun in the suspense created. Yes. And sometimes with the students, what I did is when I was drawing this eyebrow, as everyone have guessed that this is a face, I simply uh, uh, change the total drawing, because with the simple curve we can draw anything, right? Like that also you can do if you want to have some more suspense, or else don't cheat them, just go with what you have planned at the beginning. You can give these techniques to online class teachers now. Yes, that is the objective. I am always taking lot of train the teachers and train the trainer programs. Every week we are learning these kind of inputs every Sundays. Thank you, Nirupama. This is also recorded video. I'll share you the video link at the end of the program. You can also share with your. I'm a pending stand-up comedian, so please excuse me if no fun, no problem, Hari Krishnan. We are taking that as a fun only. I'm also enjoying. Okay, let us go for the next game. Are you all ready? Yes, I take that as ready. Before going for the next game, I want to inform about our next project, what we are doing in Task LMS. Always, as a personal person, I have a website, tamilakarthik.com. This is my own website. Sakti, you can post in the chat box, where you can know fully about me, my testimony, my project, my skills and knowledge, my contact details, everything you can see in the website. People may worry that to build a website, you may need to spend a lot. We are having an online training program to make you to create a live website exclusive for you, even if you don't have any technical knowledge. If you are having a business, if you don't have a website, just attend a 5 days training model to become a website developer. Just in 5 days. Just in 5 days, you can become a website developer. That is our next model, which I want to tell you. Thank you, Hari. And you can also know the pamphlet of this particular course. It is starting from 21st of September to 25th of September. Timing will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. in English, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. in Tamil. So if you want to attend this program, you can type in the chat box as web. If you want to attend this program in the chat box, you can type web, W-E-B. The investment is 1,499 again. Same 500 rupees offers we are giving for this program also. The course fees will be 999. If you want to attend, you can post in the chat box web. Others, please take this as a 2 minutes short commercial break. Let us go on to the next model now itself. Thank you all. Thank you Raja sir for the response. Thank you Ramkumar sir for the response. Nirupama, okay. Just now I got who is that? Thank you, Nirupama. He's our existing participant. Thank you, Nirupama. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you, Sangat. We have noted. Thank you. Fine. So we'll go on to our next game. Before getting to our game, I want to tell you more about our Task LMS website. So I'll be sharing without telling you what is the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 to upload your course in our training model. I want to give you a video link in the chat box. Now our team Sakti will send you a video link about how to upload your training course in our LMS website. By seeing the video later, you can understand step by step how can you upload your course in our project. It is nothing, no registration fee. You can upload your course for free of cost. Either you can upload free course or you can upload your paid course to start sell your course. And the payment method in the website will be, you can, for example, in a month you'll get 10 participants for your 1000 rupees course. Totally the turnover is 10,000 rupees. Out of 10,000, 5,000 will be for the participant, so which means the trainer, 5,000 will be for the task LMS team. So 50-50% sharing model. And we have another model also. If you get any of your participants, like for your course, you are promoting your course and you get a participant, means you can take 75% out of it, which means if the course fees is 1,000 rupees, you can take 750 rupees from that and 250 rupees for us. That is the payment model. And every month, first of every month, you will be getting your payout in your account directly. So if you are recording your course at one time and you are uploading to us, we will be selling on behalf of you, or you can sell your course every month. At the first, you will be getting the payment in your account directly. So you spend only one time to upload it, to record your course and upload in the panel. You be idle. Your course will be giving you passive income. So this is the opportunity which I want to tell you. If you want, you can contact us after the program. And I'll tell you the website name also, tasklms.in, in the chat box. You can sign up in the website. Thank you, Hari. And also, nowadays trainers are not writing blogs like before. So we are giving a platform to write your own blogs, whereas your blog will promote you as a single brand, and also your blog will promote you and your course also. So you can start writing and uploading your blogs. Even if you don't have any technical skill, just send your blog in our WhatsApp number, which I have shown in the first slide. I'll also give you in the chat box. You can send the WhatsApp message as your blog content. We will be posting on behalf of you with your name and your photo. That is the support we can give from our backside. And we have also coupon code. If you want to give this course to some of your friends, you can also gift it. Or if you want to give an offer to your friends, also you can use this kind of coupon codes. So with this information, let us close this particular concept officially, and we'll go on to the next game. Are you all ready with the next game? Yeah, Padmanabhan, thank you. Yes, I planned for a lot of games. As I committed with 10 to 11:30, we try to complete by at least 11:40, as we started by 10:40. Next week also you can join at the same time, same link, same meeting ID, same password. So next week also we'll continue the same program of virtual games. Okay, so definitely Nitish Sharma, it will definitely work for you. We can try to collaborate. Always the alphabet C, we have two major words: competition and collaboration. We Tamila team always look for collaboration instead of competition. So we'll collaborate and we'll start growing. Thank you, Nitish. So now we'll go for the next game. For this game, you need to open your browser. So just open this link in your browser, either in the laptop or in the mobile. I have given the link in the chat box. What is the maximum file size to upload? There is no minimum and maximum count. It is as of your course model, Hari Krishnan sir. Because in our platform, we have unlimited server space. You can upload n number of courses. We don't have any restriction in the size. Even in the per file, you don't have any restriction. It is up to you. Either it can be 1 MB, it can be 1 GB. Not to worry. Thank you, guys. So just click on the link either in the laptop or in the mobile. We have opened the link. Just go for thumbs up. Hari, thank you, Hari. Thank you, Padmanabhan sir. Thank you. Thank you, Nirupama. Fine. So after this session or at the end of the session, I'll be giving you a video link to how to create this Kahoot game. That is a detailed video which I have given in my previous session. So you can watch that particular video to know how to create this Kahoot game. Now let us play. I'll tell you a game pin. You can just type the game pin and you can just type the name in that particular place. So hope everyone opened the link in the chat, in the browser or in the mobile. So let me share my screen. So you can note down the game pin over here, which is coming. Yes, this is a game pin. Just give the game pin and it will ask your name. First person, Lalit. Early Bird Award goes to Lalit. Second award goes to Nirupama. Third, comedian Hari Krishnan, welcome. Fourth, Batmanathan, thank you. Fifth, Ramkumar. Yes, is anyone else is joining? Are we going to wait? Momita. It is just a 5 question. You don't need to worry to spend anything. It is very simple questions. Anyone else trying or shall we start? Better have another mobile or the device, or else you can do multitasking in the same device. Do we need to wait for anyone else? If so, you can unmute yourself and say. If you are not able to perform, you can also tell us. We'll give you. Yes, we are waiting, Deepika. No problem.
Yeah, please wait for a minute.
Yeah, sure. Deepika, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll wait. Anyone else is trying? Honor 7A, kindly post your name in the chat box. Sakti no number. Deepika, hope. What about others? Have you joined? We got 7 players. Hari Krishnan, yes, it is a paid service, but this service I am using, it is totally free of cost. You don't need to pay it anything. Soumya, welcome Soumya. It is free of cost. Paid service, you have some advanced option. In free service, you can use only 2 types of games, either multiple choice or yes or no questions. As of I know, for a trainer, teacher, free service is more than enough. Okay, we are having 9 wonderful players. It is a good number too. We'll start. During the program, if participants wanted to join, you can open this button or you can simply press this button to close the game if you are not allowing participant to join after the game started. So like I'm starting now, and in the Zoom application screen, you'll be seeing the questions, and I'll also read the question. In the application, in the browser where you have logged in, you will be having the answer. Just you need to press the color. If it is true, you need to press red color. If it is false, if you need to press blue color. I'll show you again. So we got 10 players, 1 have left. Yes, Raja GP, one more is Soumya, I think. Soumya have joined. Okay, no problem. You can also join it later. If anyone else are still trying to join, you can unmute and talk. We got 11 out of 17. It's a good number. Okay, I'm starting the game. If some people who are not joined, you can post your answer in the chat box. And one more important instruction is, whoever giving the answer at the first will give the highest mark. Even if you are giving the right answer at the second place or somewhat later, you will get somewhat minimum mark. That is the strategy in the game. So Digital Guru, training on Digital Guru. 3, 2, 1. It is a quiz. What option is not there in the Zoom? Now I'm showing you 4 options: breakout room, live on Facebook or YouTube, backstage, captions. Among these 4, what is not there in the Zoom application? Live on Facebook means can we make it live? Breakout means can we divide the, okay, I have got lot of answer, and out of 2, 3, 4, 5 answers, 2 is the correct answer, because breakout room means, for example, right in the program we have 17 participants. If you want to divide this 10 into one team, 7 into another team, we have the option called breakout room, and we can able to make live on YouTube or in Facebook. Either one, you can't do simultaneously through the Zoom. You need to use for another third-party application. You have an option, but only in the paid version in Zoom application you can go for live in the Facebook. And caption is nothing but during whatever you are typing, you can also go for your some tight subtitle that you should enable in the settings, which is in the zoom.us website. I'll show you that particular settings also. Just open zoom.us and go for my account. In the my account, make sure that you have a paid version and go to settings. In the settings, just look for breakout room. If this is enabled only, you can able to divide your one application, one Zoom meeting into 2 Zoom meeting, and you have the option called co-host. You will be having the option called co-host. Yes, if this is the option is enabled only, you can able to make another person as co-host. And live streaming, allow live streaming. If this option is enabled only, you can able to make your program live. So these are all the some tips which I want to tell you about Zoom application. Fine, let us go and see the answer. 2%. Lalit and Padmanabhan got the right answer, whereas Lalit gave the answer very soon. Congratulations for both of you. Can we do recording in MS PowerPoint presentation? That is my next question. Can we do recording in MS PowerPoint presentation? I got 4, 5, 30 seconds we have. So if all the 8% have answer means, even though if we have some time left out, the question will be comes to end. So we have 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2. Yes, we got 7 right answer. We can do recording in MS PowerPoint presentation by your voice, whatever you are typing, it can be recorded backside, and you can send the file where they can see your voice also. It's okay, Hari sir. I'll show you how to record in your PowerPoint presentation. So just open your PPT. Yes, in the slideshow, you'll be having the option called record slideshow. Just click on this button, it will be asking for, here you can see the option is enabled. Click on the button, it will be asking for, do you want to record it from the beginning or do you want to record from the current slide? Once you started, it will be start recording your voice, whatever you are saying, and also it will be start recording the time. For example, this particular slide, if I am changing after some 7 seconds, it will be automatically changed after the 7 seconds. That will work is like a same video. You can simply convert that as a video by going to file option and going to save as. Click on the folder which you want to store and click on the video format MPE4 and save. That particular session which you have recorded will be recorded as a total video also. Using this particular video itself, we can simply send us and that can be uploaded in the LMS website. You can start selling out of it. Hope this option helped you somewhere. We'll go to the next question in Kahoot. We'll see who's the winner. Wow, Lalit is still leading. Nirupama, Deepika, Lekha, welcome to the scoreboard. And the third question, again it is true or false. In Google Meet, can we restrict participant to not to unmute themselves in Google Meet? Wow, I got 5 answers. Super. 3. In Google Meet, any participants will be able to unmute themselves at any time. We can't able to restrict. We can simply mute them again whenever they are able to unmute. So that is the struggle which we are having in Google Meet as of I know. When we have mailed to the Google team about this problem, they have told, as you are having a professional meeting, your participants should know when to talk and when to not to talk. So it is your duty to maintain, not to us. Like that, we got a response from Google team. So that is the question which I want to show you. Lalit is still leading. Padmanabhan, wonderful. Can we block annotation in Zoom? Can we block annotation in Zoom? Annotation is nothing but while you are sharing a PPT, some people may be drawing here and there over to the PPT. Can you block that option to the user? Oh, I got 8 answers. Wow, we got only 3 answers right. We can block the annotation. Again, you need to go to the settings in the Zoom application. There you will be having the option called annotation. Here you can see my annotation option is disabled. So if this option is disabled, people will not be able to annotate in my screen. So please make sure that if you have a paid version, just go for, even in the free version it is there, just go for the particular option and disable that. So still Lalit is leading, Hariharan Supor in the 3rd place, Nirupama and Deepika, good going. Last and final question, can we sell our training course without any investment? Can we sell our training course without any investment? Got lot of answers. 9 answers. This is the maximum answer we got. And these 2 people, I'll check in the database who have given the wrong answer, because I have told you already, we have a platform called tasklms.in. This is our own platform. It is a LMS website where we have already lot of courses about spoken English, PowerPoint presentation, social media marketing, digital gurus, and video making mastery, many, lot. So for these things, you don't need to invest anything to sell your course. You can simply start selling. So let us see the result. The podium. 3rd place go to Hariharan sir. Let us go with the name itself, comedian. 2nd place goes to Padmanabhan, I guess. The 1st place is Lalit. Congratulate. And 4th and 5th place will be taken a runner by Deepika and Lekha. Congratulations to all of you. Super. So we'll be mail you the link of how to create this Kahoot game, or you can in the YouTube you can search Tamila Karthik YouTube channel where you can know and learn how to create this Kahoot game. So let us go on to the next module. So already I have given you the offer for website development course, which is just 999. And also we have another course, PowerPoint presentation. How can we create our creative PowerPoint presentation? What are the tricks and tips are there in the PPT? And there are a lot of options. I'll tell you, like to cut the video easily, to record and rehearsal of the training, to create unique template, to know the security concept, mainly much and more. These are all some of the concepts which we want to tell you. And the course fees is again 999. For this course also, we are giving 500 rupees discount. You can simply pay 499. If you are interested to join in this PPT course, you can just simply type PPT in the chat box. So hope you have learned something new and something informative concept in this today's session. Thank you everyone for staying till the end. Every week we'll try to meet by 10:30 a.m. Mostly it will not be a repeated content. You can learn at least one new concept in a session. You can unmute yourself and you can go for the whole session feedbacks. Ramkumar sir, you can give your feedbacks. Yeah, Deepika.
I actually had a question. I'm into parenting coaching. I'm actually a homeopathic doctor, and I want to spread this, this coaching thing, parenting coaching. So, will this online course help me? Making a course and uploading it help me?
Yeah, definitely it will help you. And also I can tell you, Deepika, we are also promoting other trainers. If you are having a training model, you can tell to us. We will be synchronizing with our team and we can promote your course even if it is a live course like this. The PPT course, which is handled by my team, Jaykumar, and social media marketing is handled by Satyamo and myself. Like that, we have separate faculties also. Whoever want to promote their course, we are there to support them. Even it can be live course or it is a pre-recorded course in our Task LMS. Both you can get my support.
Okay, can I get support for making the course videos?
Yes, I'll give you. I'll connect with my team. They'll be supporting you to create the video course also.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless.
Thank you. Hope you have my number, or you can note down in the chat box and you can WhatsApp me if you have any support.
Sure.
Feedbacks. Thank you, Hari sir. You can even unmute yourself and you can talk.
Yeah, I cannot speak loudly, but I try to they don't sound like this. It would be nice to hear voice, hopefully. But, the current situation, I'm not able to speak loudly. Anyway, I really enjoyed the session and it has given a lot of options and different platforms for me to explore. And hopefully I can get better through Task Labs. Thank you.
Thank you, Hari sir. Thank you, Nirupama ma'am, for your real feedback, because the existing participants who are giving feedback is the real thing which they have experience and they are sharing. Thank you. What about others? Lalit, congratulations. If anyone else wanted to feedbacks, or if you have any questions in the throughout session also, you can ask me. Actually, I have planned for another 2-3 games also. We'll continue in the next batch. Next Sunday, 10:30. Hope all of you will be coming back again. Super. Any other feedbacks or questions? Either questions or feedbacks? Lalit, over to you. Yes, Rashida.
So, Tamiz, it was really an amazing and wonderful session. I have ever attended. That session was too good.
Thank you.
That's so nice of you. So nice. Definitely, I will be on next session, and definitely I will call you for your sessions.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all for wonderful your participation.
Actually,
We are very happy.
I think we have a question in the chat box. Is it harmful to device to download what you said? Which app you are asking? If you have, you can unmute and ask also. Because I always suggest if, the application whichever you are downloading in Play Store, kindly make sure that you whether it is Play Protector or not. You will be having the option called Play Protected. If so, it will be protected to download. You don't need to worry. You can try sanitize before downloading. Really, you are a stand-up comedian, Harry. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for attending in our session. And now I welcome our team, Ms. Sakti, for the official vote of thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, Tamila Karthik sir, for your wonderful sharing of knowledge. Is always very eagerness to create eagerness. It's very interesting every time. Thank you all the participants who have joined till the session now. We are very happy and we are very proud to support you anytime. You can reach us through the WhatsApp. And thank you so much for the opportunity, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you all. We are signing off. Let us meet by next Sunday, 10:30 a.m. So we are stopping the live streaming. If you want any recorded videos link, you can ask us. And I just want to remind you for the PowerPoint presentation session and website development session and social media marketing session. Wherever you want to join, you can contact us. It is always 3-digit investment, not more than that. Thank you all. We'll meet soon. We'll meet again. We'll be in touch with you in WhatsApp, also in the mail. Thank you all. Sophia, I'll give you my WhatsApp number. You can reach me. Soumya, thank you. Thank you, Padmanabhan, for your active participation. Thank you, Vinay, for your nice words. Thank you all. I'm closing the call. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sakti. Bye-bye. Thank you, Padmanabhan.